Good morning. This is Mohan Kumar, Assistant Professor from ECE Department. Today we are going to discuss about wireless sensor network. So these are the topics or points that I am going to discuss in today's session. So I am going to discuss about what is wireless sensor network. I am going to give some introduction. Then wireless sensor networks application, factors influencing sensor network design, sensor node components, sensor network communication architecture, sensor network protocols, sensor network simulators, and then conclusion. So first, let us see what is a sensor. A sensor is a transducer which converts a physical quantity into an electrical signal and vice versa. What are the physical quantities that will convert into an electrical signal? Like heat, light, motion, vibration. I can give you an example for a sensor. You take a normal digital thermometer. There will be a sensor at the tip of the digital thermometer. So what it does, it measures heat energy and it converts into an electrical signal. That electrical signal will be given to the display so that you'll measure how much temperature is there. So that is an example. Okay, what is a sensor node? A sensor node is a basic unit of a sensor network. It contains onboard sensors, processors, memory, transceiver, and power supply. What is a sensor network? It consists of large number of sensor nodes. These are deployed on vast area. It is all joined together through a communication network that is called a sensor network. Next is wireless sensor network application in military field. It is used for monitoring friendly forces, equipment and ammunition, battlefield surveillance, targeting, battle damage assessment, nuclear, biological and chemical attack. In environmental application, it is used to detect forest fire detection, biocomplexity mapping of environment, flood detection, precision agriculture, air and water pollution. In health aspect, it is used for telemonitoring of human physiological data, tracking and monitoring doctors and patients inside the hospital, drug administration in hospital. With respect to home and office application, it is used for automation in home and office and to create a smart environment. In automotive applications, it is used to reduce wiring, measurements in chambers and rotating parts, remote technical inspection, condition monitorings, maybe in bearings. You might have to measure how much damage is happened before a breakdown that is going to be happen. So in these conditions, wireless sensors can be implemented. So in automotive applications, where are the sensors? See, to measure the tire pressure, there will be a sensor over there. To measure the brake pressure, there will be a sensor over there. To measure speed, acceleration, suspension, anti-braking system, traction system, emission systems. So all these things to measure and sense, we have a sensor network. So although we have these many advantages in wireless sensor network, there are some factors that influence while designing these wireless sensor network. What are the factors? First one is fault tolerance, scalability, production cost, hardware constraint, sensor network topology, environment, transmission media, power consumption for sensing, communication and data processing. This image will give you an idea how much size the wireless sensor node will be. It will be more than a coin. So what are the components will be there in the sensor node? So main thing is the power unit. Without power, the wireless sensor will not work. Okay, from power the sensor gets the power and senses the information. The sensory information may be an analog information. To convert into a digital, we use an ADC, that is analog to digital converter. Then this information will be sent to the processor to further process and to store. It is given to the storage. After storage, this information that may be given to another device. So there should be a transmitter. Sometimes from other device, input may be given to our wireless sensor node, so there should be a receiver. So trans receiver will be there. Okay, this location finding, mobilizer and power generation are optional components. So this is the architecture of wireless communication, wireless sensor node communication. So A, B, C, D are wireless sensor node. These are placed in sensor field. Okay. From there, all the sensory information will be transmitted through the sync. From sync, it will be that information will be transmitted to internet and satellite. From internet and satellite, the main task manager node will receive all the sensory information in the sensor field. Wireless sensor node protocol stack. So in wireless sensor node, we have a physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, application layer. All these layers should work together for proper communication. Other wireless sensor node protocols are sensor management protocol. It provides software operation needed to perform administrative tasks, that is moving sensor nodes, turning them on and off. Sensor query and data decimation protocol. It is used to provide user application with the interfaces to issue queries and respond to the queries. Next, sensor query and tasking language. The other thing is directed diffusion sensor MAC IEEE 802.15.4. Next, WSN operating system, that is wireless sensor network operating system. For system, we have Windows, Mac, like that. Wireless sensor node has some operating systems, and they are TinyOS, Contiki, Mantis, BTNet, SOS, NanoRK. Before installing wireless sensor network or establishing, we should simulate it and get the result. If it is satisfiable, then only we'll implement it. To get a simulated result, we have some simulators and emulators for wireless sensor node. What are they? Network simulating version 2 software, GlowMoSen, OpNet, SensorSen, JSN, OMNet, SIGS and Sense. At last, conclusion. Wireless sensor network is possible today due to technological advancement in various domains. It is envisioned to become an essential part of our lives. There are some design constraints needs to be satisfied for realization of the sensor networks, but there are tremendous research efforts being made in different layers of wireless sensor network protocol stack to overcome the constraints. I think you can get a clear idea and overview of wireless sensor network. Thank you.